For my master bedroom ensuite, I am designing a European-style everything wet bathroom. Creating a self-draining tile floor is the trickiest part of this project. It means leveling out the floor and creating a slope to the drain. After that is done, we waterproof the whole bathroom to prepare for floor-to-ceiling tiles. This master bathroom is going to take a lot of time and work, but I think it's going to be really dramatic and cool looking. So these will go all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the shower and the bathtub and by the double sink vanity, and it'll be a really sleek, modern look for this everything wet bathroom. And just keep going for 200 square feet, and it's no problem, right?
Now that the tiling is done and the bathroom is 100% waterproof, it's time to install my beautiful fixtures from Better Baths, a double vanity featuring Delta faucets with a modern look, and a standalone tub that pairs beautifully with my vintage light fixtures. This black and white bathroom fits in beautifully with the old home, but has a modern look that will last for years.